Welcome to Saralpara, a hidden paradise nestled in the lap of nature. A place where nature greets you with cold, crystal clear water and the freshness of pure mountain air. Hey, Birkan! Surrounded by majestic hills and towering mountains, Saralpara feels like a world away from chaos. बिरखांजों आंजों पिकनिक जानो फैबाय सरलपारायाव नै बिरखाङा नै बिरखां दे ओइ इधर आओ नेपाली छ तिमीले नेपाली आसामी जान्दैन ए यहाँ आउ न के नाम तिम्रो किचुन किचुन कि मा होनो नेपालीमी तिमीलाई हिन्दी जान्छ हिन्दी क्या कर रहा है तुम इधर क्या कर रहा है तुम बोरो जान्दा बोरो हाँ तिमी के गर्छु हाँ खाओ खाओ ये खाओ खाओ भात खान्छौ खान्छ तिम्रो घर कहाँ छ Here we found peace and joy. Welcome to Saralpara picnic spot. दिनै सरलपारायाव दुगैनो फैदों. We dipped into the cool waters. ओइ दाजु तिम्रोलाई साबुन छ साबुन सेम्पू हे छ हा छ As the river refreshed us with its icy embrace, we breathed deeply, filling our lungs with the cleanest air. ठीक छ राम्रो feeling light and free. Every moment was surrounded by beauty, the sound of flowing streams, the calm of the hills, and the warmth of being together. Saralpara is not just a destination, it is an experience, a memory etched in our hearts, where nature gave us happiness in its purest form. Wow! Hi guys, let's keep Saralpara clean.